Hi and welcome once again to My Cocina. Mi cocina es tu cocina, and today we're going to be making tostadas. Are you familiar with those are? Now Taco Bell has tried to make a tostada. They call them a chalupa. They've called them the Mexican pizza. No, it's called a tostada. You take a tortilla that has been fried, or in this case what we did, we put it in the toaster and we roasted it just a little bit, and then we put frijoles on, and then you can just build it like Picasso. You build a beautiful towering tostada. So I'm going to show you how I make my tostadas. Come and follow me. I know you're going to love it. Watch this.
All right, every tostada has to have beans, and I'm gonna give you my recipe for my hot charro black beans. So we're gonna start with 2 cups of black beans. We're gonna let them soak overnight. Put that into the Instant Pot with 1 large onion, and go ahead and put a serrano pepper in it. You wanna make sure that you are cooking these beans for 22 minutes. And while that's going on, we're going to go ahead and make our salsa, because you're going to have salsa. A spicy salsa is the best kind of salsa. So you're going to need 1 tomato, 1 onion. You're going to have a lot of peppers. We're going to put some garlic in that, and now we're going to roast it. We're going to get an aluminum foil, put some olive oil on it, some salt, some pepper, wrap that up, put that into a toaster oven or even in your oven for 450 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. By this time, your beans are ready. Once that little button goes down, you know it is time to pull it out. And now it's time to let those beans cool just a little bit. And while you do that, let's pull out some pork chorizo. And we're going to fry that. You have to fry it before you put it all together, okay? And I like, again, spice, so it's 2 more serrano peppers into this mix. And then the black beans. Oh, how beautiful. I've already put onions in and garlic. Now it's time for cumin. I have 2 tablespoons of cumin.
I'm testing it out. Now's the time to add the salt. If you don't add the salt in the pressure cooker, you will be sorry.
Here you can salt to taste, add a little pepper if you like, and now it's time for the plating.
Look at that. I probably put a little bit too much frijoles on this one. Yeah. Take this, put it on top. Nice sandwich. I'm getting my guisado that I made just the other day. You can put any meat on here you like. This one tastes so good, cannot go without it. My mouth is watering as I speak. Good stuff. Here we go. Done. No, get this. Lettuce. Ooh, look at that. So good. The salsa we just made. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Delicious. And mozzarella cheese. Nice. This is the best tostada ever. Or you can call it a Mexican pizza. What do you think? Is it a Mexican pizza? I don't know about that. Looks delicious. Oh my goodness. That's right, the tostada. That is this baby right here. Is this not amazing? Look how tall it is. Now, the problem with tostadas are when you eat them, they're messy. But you know what? This is such a fun plate. This is a fun dish. When I was a kid, this is exactly what I wanted. Anytime I went over to my Ito's house, or anytime my mom decided to make, more Mexican food, because 1, I could eat it with my hands, and 2, it was kind of messy, and I guess I'm kind of a messy person too. So here we go. Let's see. Let's take a bite. Did you hear that crunch? my goodness, that is a mouthful. Hold on. Tostadas are such a fun dish to have. It's great to play with your kids. You know, when I would make tostadas at home, my mom would make tostadas at home, we would all get around and make tostadas together. Because once you have the tortilla, all you need is the frijoles, and everybody would put the frijoles and put the different layers, whatever layers they like to put on. And it was fun. It is, I guess, sort of like a Mexican pizza. But hey, it's an amazing pizza. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you take this recipe and put it in your repertoire. Que mi cocina es tu cocina. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.